Everybody who works here is an adult with
Some form of like a barrier.
barrier to employment.
Yeah.
So maybe somebody hasn't worked out in the community for a number of years and they're looking to build up their resume, or maybe they've graduated from school and they don't have all the skills that they need to get a job out in the community. So we provide them an opportunity to learn those skills. We've had people who've never had a tape gun in their hand, who don't know how to use a tape gun, who don't know how to build a box.
It might not even be a work skill. It could be a social skill.
Skills are a big thing,
yeah. Communication,
They might come with a lot of work skills, but their social skills might be lacking, which can affect how they are accepted in the community.
Right. One job that we could do from start to finish, we could break down to
10 different jobs.
10 different jobs.
Yeah. We use a lot of things called universal supports, so it's not just helping people who have barriers to employment. It's anybody can come in and it makes the job easier. If somebody has stamina issues, then we can modify the job so that they can do the job while they're sitting down instead of having to stand for long periods of time.
You model the appropriate work behaviors that are expected,
Yeah.
right? To show the speed of something, instead of saying, I need you to produce this many, we would work along with them and produce that many to show that that many can be produced within a time. There's been work that Kim and I might have to finish, but that's just our role as supportive co-workers, and we understand that. And, to provide meaningful employment to someone, that's more important, that they feel accomplished by their job well done than say, Kim and I might have to do a little bit of the work at the end of the day, but if they leave here feeling really good about themselves, sometimes it doesn't make sense from a business standpoint, a money point of view, but a human service point of view, it's, leaving feeling like you've done something, you've helped axe to grind, that meaning, I think, is a lot for them.
I think people are genuinely happy to come in here to work.
Yeah.
But you'd have to ask them.
Yeah.